Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fascination. Same day, changed back fully into my pajamas just to do another video for you. Now, even though I'm recording this, you know how I do it, pre-record. The video before this, obviously you will see before this, but I have it on. I'm in here trying to make myself cheerier. Stuff to get a new bed. But anyway, you know, I unboxed from Influenster, and I have got several good products from them, including a little makeup, which was Lancome. I got some fragrance, that was, that was a good one too, Marc Jacobs. And we get the products and we review, which is great. It's great for anybody. If you want to be an influence in your life, try Influenster. I know I should say that at the end of this video, but I was so happy to get this because it's another hair care product. Now, if you know, where did it go? Oh, here it is. Eventually I have to do a empties video. Anyway, so we have this. I didn't get this from Influencer. Easy twist off. It has that. Pull that. It smells so good. And I have used it, as you can see, when I was getting ready for powwow this year. Keep the frizzies down on my braids. And I'm always looking for other good hair care product. Not just for myself, but for Rob's daughter. The guys, they end up shaving their heads. So, because of the heat. Oh, it's by the same company. Wait, is it the same thing? Oh my God. Well, you know what? It's a good thing I showed this then. It's by the same company. What's in the box? It's by that same company. Oh my gosh. Here's a thing on the back. You go ahead and scan that. Okay. I'm excited for that. So far, I have enjoyed the hair product. Think about it. This one in particular, because this is tea tree, right? Tea tree oils do help keep insects away from your hair. Like during the summer out here in New Jersey, we get greenheads. Oh, those are nasty little fuckers. Those things will bite you. Also, this will help keep away mosquitoes, fleas, ticks, and if you're in a rural area and there's a head lice breakout, you want something with tea tree oil. We don't here, knock on wood. So we have this. Get that box out of the way. And this is the lock booster. I'm going to be wearing my Auntie Shar glasses in here because I keep forgetting my other ones. I'm going to see about getting these tightened. You know, everybody misses Auntie Shar. Anyway, so this is a lock booster. Lock refreshing spray with natural peppermint oil. I love peppermint oil. Oh my gosh. Other things that keep bugs away from you, peppermint oil. Everybody's always like, oh, don't have that around your pets. Y'all like, I put that on the carpets and their paws are just fine. Neither the cat or the dog have gotten sick. No, they haven't. And if you can find wild peppermint plant in your yard, check it out first, make sure it's the right thing, because you could accidentally mistake that for nightshade or poison ivy. So, oh my gosh, that smells good. Okay, so let me read some direction. Shake well. Ooh, I'm going to take my ponytail down for this. I'm excited for this. Down with the ponytail. And I brought my brush out for a reason. Brush out my hair and put some of this in. This will help. Yes. And when you get to just test a product such as this, and you get it in a lovely fragrance. I don't know how this sprays. Is that a lock thing on it? Yes, it's a lock. So that way, you know what? That's good though. That way you just pop that back on there and you don't have to worry about it going. Actually, that feels nice. Let's put my glasses back on. That felt nice on the scalp. Okay, so avoid spraying in your eyes, because that would be good, right? Let's see, so we shook it well. Shake it up. If you're from the 80s, you know what I'm talking about. Shake well, spray evenly on dry hair and scalp in between shampoos. Avoid spraying in eyes and open skin wounds. Well, I don't have any open skin wounds on my scalp. So, oh my gosh, and that's going to make your hair smell wonderful. Ooh, I'm just going to do this here. It's not quite hair washing day yet. My hair doesn't get greasy very often anymore. I think that's because of dietary change. Oh my gosh, that feels good. Oh my God. That feels good, and it smells good. Now I'm just going to put the lock piece back on it. And that will now not spray. But what I can say is that feels wonderful on my scalp. Oh my God. You know what? My scalp was itchy a few minutes ago from an allergy from some food yesterday. And no, it wasn't from the burritos. So I gotta get that knot out of my hair. My hair is being naughty. But I have to say yes to this product. My scalp feels so refreshed. I must have spot where there's an itchy. But do I recommend this? Yes I do. And like I said, if you want to influence your life, try out some product and write a review where you get to test the product for free and keep it. Be your own influencer on Influenster. You can check them out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, which, Twitter, YouTube, because they have a YouTube, and just go check them out. And I've had a few people, and even I tried in the past to get with the programs for getting stuff to test. In the past, it was different than it is now. So give it another try, and you would be surprised. Fill out the little info thing, And when they give you the chance to try something, oh, I'm excited for my next one that I have coming. That is the summer game changer. Have a thing going on with my legs. It's either the spoopies are touching my leg or it's the neuropathy part, feeling like something's touching my leg. But anyway, yeah. Try this. And if you don't like the smell, you can always give it to somebody else. That's what I did with the Aveeno body wash. Rob's daughter loves that stuff, right? So she's like, oh, Aveeno. I'm like, here. And this is a full-size sample. Think about that. This will last me like once a week. I could just spray this in my hair because now my hair feels cleaner. And if you have that hair that kind of gets greasy in between washings, you might want to try this. And remember to stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Yes, I just put that label forward. Great products for your hair to try. And they have this for different hair types. So anyway, did I do my outro? Yes, I did. So with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.